Everyone, how are you? Hope you all well. First of all, I am sorry because of after a long time I came back. I actually took a lot of time to make a new video for my some personal reason, and now I will continue the video inshallah. So stay with me that and support me that I can get motivated from you. Okay. So today we will show how to recover to deleted file or deleted folder from your PC. There is sometimes that you might be delete your file, the important file or folder from your PC, and now you need to recover it. Not only that, but also you need to recover from your external hard drive also. So today we will show that how to recover that particular files from your PC. This is the very easiest way, and I'm using the third-party software which is really reliable and secure. So you do not need to worry about that. Just simple. First of all, you have to go to the Chrome and log in there, and just type the disk drill and search there. And here you will see the disk drill data recovery software, and press that and download simply the free version, and your download will be start automatically. You'll see. So I'm just canceling it because of I already downloaded this software. So then you have to go to the your download file, and you just need to install it. I already download this software, so it's just simple. Just click there and you just need to launch this software. Like it show the uninstall to me because I already installed it. In here you will see the install button, and press that and launch your disk drill software. Well, install your software, you just came here and just click on it and give the permission, and you will see this type of pop-up where you will see your all the hard disks. If you attach any external the hard drive, you will see also that here. If you using the RAID, the storage, you will see that from that particular area. So in that RAID area, if you are using RAID storage, so you will get the recovered data from there. So you well, if I want to recover my folder from desktop area, so you just simply search it from the Windows C. Just click over there and just click the search the lost for data. And well, after searching your file, you just wait a minute because it will take a long time. And after that, it represent the all type of data in front of you. You just take the time to find out the your real data folder or file, whatever like this. I hope this video is helps to you to understand the how to recover your file from there, and I wish this video helps to you. If you have any queries, you just simply comment there. I will reach your comment and give the answer. YouTube channel, and where you will get more authentic wisdom about networking, comshare, and also the troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. I hope you learn a lot.